Alright, welcome back to the shop. I guess I'll give you a little update. This will be a video about a hand truck, but I took the orbital valve, the steering valve, down there at the bottom. It's probably the only clean thing in there you're looking at. Took that down and had them retime it, I guess. I really didn't get a chance to talk to the tech to see what was up with it. But the orbital valve works and I now have steering, which is great. This cylinder here is leaking. I'm going to take it down and have it rebuilt. I think I've rebuilt cylinders before, but I'm just going to take it down and drop it off. Have them do it. And this, if you guys see, I think maybe I put this on Instagram. I found this in the trash, and I put a $5 thermocouple in it. Let's see if I can find that. So this is a thermal brake, thermal fuse. This was bad. It was weird because it didn't test immediately bad. At least when I put the multimeter on it. Who knows what I was doing. But anyway, I got in it, sort of threw the parts can in at it. These were cheap. So I threw this at it and it fixed it. I also did replace the thermistor in there. That was also, I think the whole kit was $12. Bought them individually, so this was the culprit. It's a Samsung. It has the automatic dryer thing. It's a very expensive machine. And somebody threw it out and I capitalized on it, so I'm happy. Now, this hand truck, Greg had mentioned on my other hand truck build having a chain on the hand truck would have been a good idea. I like that idea, and this, just to show it's a good idea, this is a furniture dolly. And it has this ratcheting strap here that will go out and grab a refrigerator or whatever. I've used this thing forever. This is my grandfather's. I was taking the rust off of it, noticed that the rivets had broke out of this, so I think we're going to try to repair this. And I'm not sure if I'm going to rivet it or bolt it back together, but I'm going to give you some time lapse of what I do. You see how any flat spot in my shop, collects stuff? This thing hasn't been out here for, well, it's been out for a couple days. But anyway, now I'm using it as a workbench. What's wrong with me? Alright, what I'm doing is I've got this rivet tool, and I'm going to install some regular old pop rivets. This had solid rivets in it. I love solid rivets. However, I do not have the capability of using solid rivets or whatever. So I'm going to install these here. You're going to get some time lapse of that. Hopefully, I think the shear strength on this, hopefully they'll be enough. If not, then I'll have to come back and this is a magnesium frame, I believe. I think I would probably tap this and run a bolt through this side, but I want this to be just about as flush as I can possibly get it, and these pop rivets will do a good job of that. So anyway, we'll try this. This will be the first shot at it, and if it breaks in the future, you will see a video. So. Alright, sorry if the video is a little disjointed here. It started raining, but now the sun's back out. I've got the rivets in here. I think those are going to hold fine. I'm going to see if I can't find a shear strength on those. I think it'll be more than enough to support a wash machine or a refrigerator. I don't move a lot of that kind of stuff, but the felt that's here, I went ahead and took my hot glue gun. Really like the hot glue gun. It's a great tool to have. I don't use it very often, but I had some Gorilla hot glue, and that should hold that in place. And other than that, she doesn't need much more. She's ready to go back to work. So that's it. Just a short video today. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Thanks for watching.